Hi guys, welcome to Mama and Bob in Alaska's channel. So tonight I gonna do is finish harvesting our potatoes. We plant some potatoes and my husband already started harvesting it. But I gonna need to finish harvesting it tonight because it's getting colder and colder here. Winter is coming. Yeah, it's still September, but yeah, it's getting darker. And I gonna need to finish before the ground is frozen. Anyway guys, thank you for supporting Mama and Bob in Alaska's channel. So far we have 4,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So guys, natapos ko na siyang mag-harvest. I already finished harvesting. So yeah, it's still here. So there's so big one. But I'm gonna need to wash it and bring it inside. So ito na yung potatoes ko. Try my best, ito siya malaki. Merong malaki, meron ding maliit. So that's my potatoes.